Hello and welcome back to STARNES'S Storeroom. So we've got another video, this one from Cosford Air Show. It was recorded a few months ago, but I've only just had the time to put the video together. So you're going to see pictures of airplanes, vehicles, weaponry, some parachutists, yeah, lots of other stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the other side.
Elevation. Roger, now clear to engage the moving vehicle. Do now no clear. Any personnel around you see. People running through the windows of the plane. One other another vehicle and more people clear to engage already. Copy. Back first target in his car. I'd say, set their arms. Previously, some targets are in here. Checking the vehicles too. You're clear to level the building. Is there any more personnel in the area? Okay, right now. Denver 631. Now if we go directly west, about approximately 100 meters, we'll see a single hotspot there. That's the key for a tunnel entrance. Rock him down just far. Yeah, direct hit right there. Roger. Copy. 1 second. Okay, I'll be in front. Continue. Recruit 1 foot ahead. Wind level 4 miles an hour. But you can see our favorite. Ready, Charlie. Anyone not be stop for +1 second. Email heading 150. Stay northeast. Alright, this time. Oh yeah, they're making a break point. What's your primary target?
Easy 6, easy 36. They can sparkle the intersection on Route Rouge where we might go. Also heard the traffic of
Over here, guys.
Roger that, break. Okay. Hey, we're going to shoot these second guys. Make sure you're clear of me. I'm good. 1 second. You have a sight?
And we have 9 good canopies. So immediately into the safe formation. One parachute is lining up behind the other, so they can immediately get into formation behind each other, behind the coach.
Well, that's the video anyway, so I hope you enjoyed. Hope next year will be just as good, if not even better. It might have some unusual aircraft visiting. So remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.